Every vehicle in operation generates a trail of data. INFLEET has been capturing that trail end-to-end, from tracking to telemetry, from video to costs, layer by layer on a single platform. But the bottleneck was never collecting data. It was interpreting it. Fraud, maintenance, behavior, fuel, decisions that require specialized analysts most companies don't have. That's where AI changes the equation. INFLEET turns operational data into recommendations, and within the policies the manager sets, into automatically executed decisions. From software that informs, to a copilot that recommends, to an autopilot that executes. The result? Enterprise-grade outcomes without depending on specialists. The market is no longer limited to companies with the right infrastructure. It expands to every fleet on the road. INFLEET, the AI-powered fleet OS, the fleet database which became the intelligence of the operation.